Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on communicating data insights. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Providing crisp, clear, actionable points of view to senior executives is becoming an increasingly important role of data scientists and data professionals these days. In this course, you will gain the ability to summarize complex information into clear and actionable insights. First, you will learn how to sum up the important descriptive statistics from any numeric dataset. Next, you will discover how to build and use specialized visual representations such as candlestick charts, Sankey diagrams, and funnel charts in Python. You will then see how the data behind such representations can now be fed in from enterprise-wide sources such as data warehouses and ETL pipelines. Finally, you will round out the course by working with data residing in different public cloud platforms, even in a hybrid environment, that is, with some of it on-premise and some of it on the cloud. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to pull together data from disparate sources and use nifty visualizations to convey crisp, actionable points of view to a senior executive audience.